Authors often here divided writers into meteors, planets, and fixed stars. Meteors produce the momentary effect and vanish forever. Most of the news reporters fall into this category. Planets endure much longer. Sometimes readers take them to be fixed stars because they shine by virtue of their proximity to them. However, their lifespan is limited as they shine with a borrowed light. Most of the feature writers fall into this category. The third category, fixed stars alone, is unchanging. Their influence lasts for ages. Their influence will last for ages. World's great writers such as William Shakespeare, Charles Dickens, Thomas Hardy, R.K. Narayan, and Bertrand Russell fall into this category. Their influence goes beyond their territorial boundaries and embraces the entire world. There are two types of writers, journalists and others of their ilk write for money. There are some people who write for the sake of writing. They do so in order to communicate their ideas to the readers. Their writing is clear and uplifting. However, society needs both types of writers. If there are no journalists, most of the newspapers and magazines will have to fold up. Some university professors who teach language and literature have a poor opinion about journalism. They say journalistic language is substandard. In fact, one of my university teachers said journalism does not belong to the category of literature. However, those who defend journalism say it is literature in a hurry. For that matter, even university professors read newspapers avidly and they regularly contribute to them. According to another school of thought, even celebrated writers have been influenced by journalism. They follow a journalistic style instead of the literary style. Even some of the literary giants have been career journalists. Book publishing is one of the major profit-oriented ventures. In developed countries, authors are well paid and they lead comfortable lives. They lead a comfortable life. However, the situation in Sri Lanka is somewhat pathetic. While the book publishers are thriving, authors remain poor as they do not get their royalties properly. As a result, many good writers do not take the trouble to write books. Those who wish to become writers and authors have to be aware of these facts. There is an ever-rising flood of badly written books produced by amateurs. Even in Sri Lanka, if we take a textbook, if we take an English textbook published by the Education Department, contain many typographical errors. Some books are simply verbose. Those who have studied the books printed in England will notice the difference between the books printed locally and the books used in international schools. Whatever may be the ground situation, we need authors, journalists and writers to serve society. If you have a passion for writing, reach for the paper and pen or the computer and start your journey into the world of writers. Remember the cardinal rule: you have to obey the law of gravity.